Hello, welcome back to this Flutter series once again. So today we'll be looking at navigation drawer. Okay. So I still have samples, the code from the old application. So I'm just going to delete this. Yeah. So I think you have something here. Good card. Okay, I'm not going to need all of these. So I'm going to delete this. Which one? This one. I'm going to delete it. Yeah. So I have a cleanup. Where else? Okay. So everything was. Undo. How can I undo this? Alright, don't worry. So I shouldn't even tamper with this page. I should do everything in the main. Let me do this real quick. Okay, so I've removed all the codes we don't need. So we just have a clean slate here. So I'm going to change this to, let's say, drawer. Okay, so you see, basically a drawer is like a side navigation, so that when you tap on it like this, it shows the sidebar, and then you see a list of actions you can do over there. So it's also from the scaffold. Okay, so we take that in the scaffold. So just beneath the app bar, you can put your drawer over there, and you start by saying drawer. Just Flutter is just widgets, so you can create this drawer separately in a new class as a new widget somewhere, and then come and fix it over here. We are just looking at something plain from here. So what can we do with this? I can say the width should be okay, let me just leave it like that. I wanted to show you something, but we'll come back to that later. I'll tweet that in the next lesson actually. So the child of the width, we are going to need a column. Children. So now let me see if, because I added this drawer, you see there is this drawer here. So when you tap on it, this is the drawer that shows. And just like any widget, you can lay out however you want to lay it out. You can put whatever widget you want to put in here. Okay, so that is basically a drawer. You click outside, it closes. You click on it, it opens. Okay, I don't know, I think you can change drawer position. Yeah, I think you can use end drawer instead of drawer. So let me just copy that over. I'm not deleting. So I think I'm going to see, if I save, I'm going to see two drawers. So I have the end drawer that opens from the right side, and then this one. So I can just simply do something like child container, and then I'll give it a color, color is the green. I like green. And then give this, let's say, colored box, and I'll say the color is colored dot purple. Sorry, colors dot purple. Let's just use orange. So when you open this, where's I think, okay, I get it. I should give them a width. So I will say a height. The height is, let's say, 300. Let's see if that works. So yeah, it works. So I should also give this one. This one does not take height, right? Tell me it does not take height. So it does not take height. Just take the color and then the child. So I won't even use this. Let me just use container. So the drawer needs to be built. Okay. Oh, I think I should add the height, and I'll also say 200 pixels. Sure, 200, no pixels please. And the color, oh sorry, color, this is, so if I save, yeah, so this is our drawer. So in here you can put why okay, I would need to put a comma here, so yeah, we get it down. So inside this container you can style it up. I don't really want to get into details, but I just want you to I want you to get the idea. So I can put something like circle avatar, and I'll say background. I don't want to, okay, background image, and I'll say asset image, and then the image should be asset / images / I have the images are here, so / avatar .jpg. So I have this and I save. I should see a picture. Oh, what is that? I should see a picture. Yeah. So basically, I mean, this is not what I'm trying to get, but you get the idea. You can just sell this like any container. So that type of drawings, I don't want to waste much time. You can design it however you want to design it. Yeah. Alright, so let me see. Let me just wrap this inside center. So open this, and then yeah, so this works. Okay, and then you can come. I want to do this. So outside this container, right? So here, so you put, I can use something like a size box. I'm not giving it any width or height, and I'm going to put a child of a list view here. I'm not using a builder, so I've just applied to children, and I'll say list style. So we have list style, yeah. So I think I've gone over that. So we have the title, and I'll see text. Let's see home. Let me just duplicate this. Home notifications. Settings, and then log out. So yes, there we go. I can't put it in here like that. I need, this thing should be sized, so I will say the height should be, let's say 500. So if I do it like that, then we are going to see our children here. So this is basically a list style. Yeah, this is a list style. You can add many properties to it, like trailing. Let me add leading. So leading is any widget. So normally you place an icon. Leading is the widget that appears before the widget itself. So usually I use an icon, and I'll say icons.home. So if I save, I should see home icon here, and then we have the trailing. So trailing is the icon at the other end. So I'm just going to copy this, and then I'll just make a small change. I'll use, let's say, arrow right. Yes. So yeah, so this is a simple navigation drawer. There's a drawer. Okay, so you can use this to design very nice interfaces. You can put anything here. You might decide not to use list style, but use your custom widget or whatever here. All right, thank you. See you in the next lesson.